Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in reliable audio routing. Pick your interface and set the sample rate to 44. 1K or 48K so latency and sync are predictable. Once done, open Amplitube 5 and choose the ASIO or core audio driver to guarantee low latency audio. Next, create a dedicated input channel inside Amplitube, enable input monitoring, and verify you see signal level on the meter. This early setup prevents clicks, mismatched rates, and ghost signals when you begin tracking. Now sculpt your tone while preparing to record. Load the amp, cabinet, mic model, and any pedals. Use snapshots to save variations quickly so you can switch mid-session. Make sure input gain is correct. Aim for peaks around -6 to -12 decibels to preserve headroom. Next, route Amplitube's output into your DAW via the plugin, or select the internal recorder if you prefer standalone tracking. This ensures you capture clean takes and can recall settings later. You're ready to record. Arm the track and record several takes, using punch-in or loop recording for tricky sections so you don't waste time. Once you have good takes, comp the best pieces, match levels, and add any final reverb or delay inside Amplitube or in your DAW. This keeps the tone consistent. If something goes wrong, crackles, no signal, or latency, check buffer size, drivers, sample rate mismatches, and recall your snapshots. Those fixes solve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.